Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, L'ancienne Lorette, local and long-distance movers near me. Are you ready to move and you need a cheap L'Ancienne Lorette moving company? 3 Movers will provide the right options for your local and long-distance move. Our team offers just what you need to move your family, your business, or both. We can make your move happen faster and easier than trying to do it yourself. When you need the right long-distance moving services, we offer everything you need, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. You want to move, but you don't want to do all the work for your long-distance move. Hire us, and you will get the help you need with your specific move. Our team will help you move 100 miles away or further with ease. With a good Canada moving company, you can relax when you move locally. The right team will do all the heavy lifting for you. There are plenty of benefits, from saving time and energy to avoiding the heavy lifting when you use local movers. 3 Movers is a moving company you can use to take care of any local move. When you need to move across the town or just a few miles away, you can use our team to make it simple. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our L'ancienne Lorette moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.